Hey guys, we are making lasagna taco style. We got our meats, we got our pasta, we got our cheeses, our sauce, and don't forget that taco seasonings, baby.
5 minutes later.
Okay, first things first. Let's brown that beef. Come on out. Come on out of there. Come on out of there. Come on. Come on. Guys, I don't think this beef wanted to be cooked today. But it's okay. Don't have a choice. And that's a family size pack of ground beef, by the way. Oh, yeah. Okay. First things first, we're going to add our Kroger brand onion soup mix to this. We're going to save time, by the way, and we're going to be cute today. We ain't got time to chop no onions. Okay? Yes, pour that first one on top. Oh, look at your little old cute little pouring self. Look at you. Little old cute pouring self. All right, guys. We're going to add onion powder, and I didn't put this in the beginning because it's your preference. If you like onion powder, you use onion powder. If you don't, then you don't. Okay? You cook this. You take what I'm showing you and you fix it to your taste. And next we're going to add some garlic powder in there. Oh yeah. And I'm only using enough garlic powder. I know you don't see me measuring anything, but I'm only going to use enough just to coat the top. And we're going to give her a nice little stir. Again. And again. And again. I'm sorry. I'm being annoying. Just keep stirring, guys. Just keep on stirring till everything gets stirred all together. All right. Look at you, little strong self stirring that meat. Stirring that beef. Just keep it stirring. Just keep a stir. Just keep a stir. Just keep it on. Little old cute stirring self. Little old cute stirring self. You better go, girl. Look at your tail cooking. All right. Next, we're going to add those Williams sausage. Now, y'all know those are some all right sausage now. Good for breakfast time with some biscuits and some of that syrup. I know most of y'all might like molasses, but we prefer Mississippi. We prefer that Blackburn. That's some good sauce. That's some good syrup. I'm sorry. And then I'm breaking this meat up because it's actually frozen. And that was the first one. And then that's the second one. All right. Now, our muscles are finna play a big part in this meat stirring, okay? Because that thing was frozen, and we trying to make sure it is well blended with that beef. All right, and there she go. We're going to place that top on there. Guys, don't hate. Don't talk about my top. That's my granny's top. God rest her soul. Full of love. You know it's full of love. We're going to wipe that area. Make sure that we keep our area well sanitized. Okay. Next, we're going to use number 2 for the temperature. If you want to use a lower temperature, you can, but we're using 2. And we're also going to add 1 cup of milk. If you prefer not to use milk, you don't have to, or whatever you may have. If you're lactose, use lactose, coconut, whatever you choose. We just want to wet the bottom so it is nicely melted and it does not stick quickly. It's just basically slowing the process of the melting down and just letting it take its time. All right. I've chopped my cheese here, as you can see, and that just helps the melting process. I wouldn't prefer putting a big old block of cheese in there. But if that's your prerogative, baby, you do it. Add that cheese. And this is a melting cheese, guy. Melting cheese. Because we want it to be like a sauce almost. Right? Add that cheese. Add that cheese. That's the regular melting cheese, like Velveeta. Instead of Velveeta, we're using Cheese Whiz, of course. It's cheaper, budget friendly. And there is that cream cheese. How you doing, darling? That's that cream cheese. That's that cream cheese, honey. And that's going to give it a sweet kick. Okay? Ain't nothing wrong with putting a little love and a little sugar on your food now. Okay, guys, I talks to my food. You know what I'm saying? That's love. That's all love. And that's that. We're going to sit there and we're going to let her melt. Make sure you pay close eye on your attention. Don't forget about her. Show her some love. Stir very occasionally, okay? Because you do not want your cheese to burn. She is the most important factor of this lasagna, okay? The cheese. Don't burn her. We're going to go back over here and we're going to check on this meat and make sure that this meat is cooking properly. Because we don't want no tummy aches. We want to make sure that I know they say, okay, you can eat beef raw, but we going to make sure she cooked. Plus, we're going to add pork in there, okay? Yes, make sure that area is cleaned again. A clean cook is a good cook, okay, people? Clean cook is a good cook. A good cook is a clean cook. Amen? All right, there you go. Look at that. Look at that cheese. Hey, boo. Hey, boo. Look at that cheese. She's so cute.
But it hasn't. That's okay.
All right, and she may be a little lumpy. It's okay. All right, mild and original. We're gonna use 2 here in the cheese sauce. The first one is that mild. Yes, that mild. It's gonna give it a little kick, little spice. It ain't gonna be spicy. It's just gonna give it a little kick. Don't be scared. And me, I'm cheap child. I'm telling y'all, make sure you get all of it. I got to get my money worth. All right. And then we're going to use 1 original. Okay. That's the taco seasoning mix. 1 original. All right. And then we're going to give her a quick little stir. Come on, child. Stir it. Stir it now. Don't be scared. Stir. Stir her. Do not be scared. Look, you stir and sell. All right. Now we're going to come over here to these noodles. Yes. Listen. You make sure you put some salt in that water so you won't be all day. Put a little salt in there and let that temperature rise up. And it's going to help it to boil. Obviously, I already used my salt. I put a little salt in there. Put a little sprinkle, a little love. That's why I say sprinkle a little love in there. And let that salt boil that water so you can go and put them noodles in there. Okay? And don't forget your oil. Because your oil is going to make sure your noodles do not stick. Okay, so if you want to take it out that water and leave it on the side right quick, let them cool down before you touch them, they ain't gonna stick because that oil done took care of that for you. Okay, then we're gonna take this spoon and we're gonna submerge it into that hot boiling water. Okay, be careful, guys, because I'm telling you, that water hot. All right, push it on in, make sure it's evenly coated, make sure the water is over the noodles, and that's that. That's it. All right, back to the meat. The meat is done here. I've already drained those greases off. Make sure that you drain that grease off because you don't want to pour that grease off into your lasagna, and your lasagna is totally greasy. And if you got gallstones like some people may have, it's not going to do anything but irritate. All right, we got 2 original packs of taco seasoning here. That's 1, and that is 2. Okay, give this a quick stir, ladies. Come on, y'all, with y'all cute stirring selves. Stir that meat, girl. You better stir that beef. You better stir that beef. Hey. And there she go. That beef is stirred. Okay, guys. These are the finished looks of the cooked noodles. As you can see, there is nothing sticking, girl. And I don't have no water in the bottom. So, job well done. Cheese. Looking a little thick over here. But that's nothing a little milk can't help. Okay? Y'all see I got a little mess, little splatters, but it's okay. We're going to get that later. Don't worry about that. All right. Stir up. Got a little clumps in there. Trust me, the oven going to take care of her. All right, this meat here. Of course, I've already added my pasta sauce. And as you can see, she's well stirred. Everything's even. And that consistency is awesome. Next, we have this ricotta cheese right here. Ricotta, essential, yes, cheap, budget friendly. Don't be acting bougie. We're going to take everything and we're going to incorporate it into the pan. And we're going to make our lasagna tower. First things first, noodles at the bottom of the pan. I'm using 1 layer of noodles is your preference, your prerogative. So if you want to use 2 layers of noodles, then you can. I'm going to try to get at least 3 layered. That means noodles, sauce, cheese, noodle, sauce, cheese, meat. I'm sorry. Noodle, sauce, cheese, meat, noodle, sauce, cheese, meat. So that's what I'm going to do. But if you choose to just make your layers however many layers that you want to make, then that's your preference. However many layers of noodles, whatever you want to do to build your tower. It's your tower, okay? All right. That ricotta cheese, we're going to add that. I was going to use my meat, but I decided to use the ricotta. All right. She gave me a run for my money too, y'all. But it's okay. Once that heat started hitting that ricotta cheese, she spread it like butter. She spread it like a butter. All right. Make sure you evenly coat it on the whole noodle. All of the noodles is evenly coated with ricotta cheese. I'm going to move on to our meat. Spread that meat, spread that meat, spread that meat. Oh my God, that don't sound right. I'm sorry. But spread it, evenly spread that meat over the noodles. Okay? And then next we're going to move to the cheese. The cheese is still looking a little thick, so we're going to add some water. Right quick. All right. You don't need much, guys. You don't need much. Just a little. Hold up. Wait. Slowly. Just a little. That's it. Don't add. No, you don't need no more. That's it. Stir it up, girl. 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 Okay, guys. I'm going to stop. I know I'm acting a little annoying. But I love cooking, man. I just love cooking. Stir it up. The only thing I hate about cooking, I'm sure everybody does, washing the dishes. And my husband can vouch for that. All right, she looks good. Let's add her over the meat. There you go. Look at your little cute pouring self. Go on then, girl. Take that spoon. Scrape that side. All right. Good cook is a clean cook. Spread it. Evenly spread it. Spread it. All right. There you go. Okay. We're going to do it one more time. And I know y'all see these aged pots, but that's okay because I'm telling you it's full of love. That's grandma there. That's granny. Let's evenly spread. And there she go. That noodle meat cheese. That noodle ricotta meat cheese. Okay. And now we're going to add our shredded cheese. That's, as you can see, that's the type of cheese we're going to use today. Okay. Then we're going to evenly spread that cheese across that cheese sauce that we just created. With y'all little selves. Y'all did so good. Y'all did a good job. Good job. Pat yourself on the back. We got our first layer. Come on. Come on. Don't be scared. Put that cheese on there. All right. And that's the finished look of the layered version of mine's. We're going to add that Italian breadcrumbs on top just to give that cheese that little crunch on top, to help it get a little crunch, and also it's going to give it a little flavor. Okay? Ain't nothing wrong with some Italian breadcrumbs. I like them. I know you like them too. A little flavor up there. Ain't nothing wrong with it. All right, guys. She's done. That's it. Now, you've done it, guys. Y'all finished. We're going to pop her on in the oven. I put her on 325. I cooked her for about 45 minutes to an hour. Your preference. But that's all it takes. Put her on in there. You did it, girl. Good job. You did it. You have done it. And that's that. There she go. Finished look. Look at those crisp edges. Girl, you did that thing. Look at them crisp edges. Good job. She's done. That's it. That is it. Well, guys, I thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, and comment down in the comment section below. And peace.